Just listen to my cry, give it all my prayer. It doesn't rise from lying lips. Let my vindication come from you. Let your eyes see what is right. You have tested my heart. You have searched me in the night. You have examined me inside and out, and you know I have chosen not to follow the path of violence. By the word of your lips I have kept myself from the words of the destroyer. My steps have held fast to your paths. My feet have not slipped out. Hide me in the shadow of your wings. When the wicked crowd around my life, you're my refuge, you're my king. Keep me as the apple of your eye. Hold me when the arrows fly. In the shadow of your wings I will live. Surround me on every side. Their hearts are hard, closed up like stone. With their mouths they speak with arrogance. With their eyes they hunt me down. They track my steps, they circle me in like a lion, ready to tear. Like a young lion waiting in hiding. Rise up, Lord, confront them, cast them down. Deliver my soul from the wicked by your hand. These people live only for this world. Their reward is in this life. Their bellies are filled